So hello friends, welcome again to a new video again. So today's topic is a bit different, and this topic, I'm sure that this topic is very interesting for you all guys. So you should watch this video till the end. Okay. So this program is about CSS image gallery. As you can see, it's in displaying in the screen. So this is the first program, as you can see. So let's run this first program. So I'm copying this program. So as you can see, I've copied the entire program. Now I'm gonna open in on Node+. Pasted is also complete. Pasting is also completed. Saving the file in my desktop file by 1.html, as it is the first program for today. Okay. So now saving is also done. Right now, let's open the file. What does this file say? So as you can see, this file is about image, and this image are not coming. As you can see, there is no image saved in my folder. For that, it's not coming. So let's see, let's put images, okay, and see what happens. So now I'm gonna go in my desktop and put images. Okay, so let's go to my desktop. So I can get it from here only. Pictures. So as you can see, there are some pictures. That old picture, that my picture. Suppose some saved pictures. Suppose this picture. So if I take this picture, I'm gonna copy this picture, and I'm gonna paste it in where in my desktop file, where is in my HTML file. So I'm gonna paste it over here. So you can see I've pasted. Now I'm gonna copy I'm gonna copy this address, the entire address. I'm gonna copying is done. Now let's paste it in my Node+ in my program, then we will run this program again. So as you can see, this is the entire program. Where is my image source attribute? Sorry guys. So where is my image source attribute? Finding image source attribute. So as you can see, here is the address. So I'm gonna copy this address, and I'm gonna paste over here. So I'm clicking Ctrl V for pasting. So as you can see, the entire thing has been pasted. And now first image is done. So I think there are more images. So let us take some different image again. So I'm gonna go to my pictures again. Take a picture. With picture, suppose I take this picture only. There's not much picture in my computer. So I'm gonna copy this. Where is my desktop folder? I'm gonna save it over here. I'm gonna paste it. Then I'm gonna copy this address. The address is bit ulta pulta, right? So copy the address. Copying is done. Where is now? Okay, here I have to put the address. So I'm putting the address over here. I'm pressing Ctrl V for pasting. So 2 images are done. Now let's go. There are more images, so I have to take more images. And my desktop there are images, but not that image. Let me go to my pictures. One last image, that is this one. It's my image. Copy, open in desktop, saving in my HTML file, pasting. And now I'll copy the name, the address. Copying is done. Pasting in the position where to paste. One more image source is over here, as you can see guys. So I'm gonna paste it over here. So what happened? I did Control Z. Eesh. Okay, made a mistake. So paste. So I've pasted this one and I've done a nonsense over here. I've removed this name from there. So I'm copying it again and I'll paste it over here. And for this I'm pressing Ctrl V. Pressed. Done. Now let's save this file and let's see. As you can see, file is saved and there are 3 pictures. So 3 pictures came and the last picture has not came. Okay, so now let's see what's the difference between, what is the difference in this program, how did we create this program. See, if you click on these pictures, see the cursor has been changing and this making an option to click, and if you click it, a page will open, a linked page will open in this. Okay, the page which is linked, that page only will open. So as you can see, I have put 3 images and I think this is very easy, guys. It's very easy to, what do you know, it's very easy to write this program. So let's have a look then also. Okay, so where is our output? This program is quite big but very easy. So I want to explain in you a Notepad. If you explain in Notepad, then it would be easy. Okay, so what I have used, generally I have used HTML tag, head tag, and under style tag I have written the entire div tags. As you can see, div gallery equals to margin 5 pixels, border 5 pixels, solid. This is an hexa code. Float equal to left, width equal to 180 pixels, as you can see. And then I've used again div hover gallery, this one. If you use this one, then also it will happen. If you don't use, then also it will happen. Then I've used div gallery image, this one. Then div dex padding 15px, text align is center. As you can see, the text written over here, let me show you. The text written over here is in center, as you can see. Okay, then closing style tag, closing head tag. Then I have come to body tag, and under body tag I have used div attribute. As you can see, I've used div attribute, and div attribute, div class equals to gallery, and then a target equals to, this is different, a bit different. A target we have used, right? Now quotation blank href equals to the image source, the image address, and over here the image, you can see the main address of that picture which was saved in my folder. Alt equal to this, width equal to, if you don't write this then also it will work. Okay, I am cutting this. Okay, then a tag, close div tag, opened, class equals to this one, as you can see. Add a description of the image here. Okay, you can write the description. Now like this, I have given 4 pictures. I've used 4 pictures. So like this only we will create this. Okay, so this program is all about this much only. So guys, stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. So for today, bye bye. So if you like the video, then like it and subscribe our channel. Okay, bye bye.